All right, we are getting more into subtracting, and today's lesson is about estimating when we subtract. Right, we've already learned about estimating with adding. So the only difference when we estimate with subtracting is you subtract at the end instead of adding. So remember, estimating is about the word about, finding about what the answer would be, not the exact answer, which is really nice with subtracting because sometimes we make silly mistakes. There's lots of room for mistakes. So estimating can help us at least get in the ballpark of our real answer. I like estimating because if we make a silly mistake and it's not close to our estimate, we'll say, we need to double check this. So again, when we have a problem that we need to estimate, we round first. 48 rounds to 50. 32. The 2 is less than 5, so we round to 30. This time, instead of adding them together, we subtract them, which gets us 20. So when we would do the real answer, it helps to know that our answer should be around 20. 8 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 16 would round to 20. So we have estimated correctly. Rounding again, this time with hundreds. Again, rounding to the nearest hundred, we are looking which hundred is this closest to? 100, 200, 300, 400. So if we're looking at 767, remember our halfway point is 50, so anything more than 50 would round to the next hundred. So that's 800. And 439, well, 39 is less than 50, our halfway point. So we round back down to the 400. 800 minus 400 is 400. So if we were to make a silly mistake in subtracting, then we would know, if it's not near 400, then maybe we made a mistake. I keep mentioning that rounding is important and estimating is important to help us avoid mistakes. So what I did was, I wrote a problem and I solved it with some mistakes. See that I did 0 minus 9 is 9 because that's a common third grade mistake. Can we take 0 and subtract 9 from it? No. Can we take 1 and subtract 8 from it? If I have 1 piece of candy, can you take 8 pieces of candy away from me? I don't have enough to give. So we want to make sure when the bigger number is on the bottom, we have to regroup. A teacher used to say to me, bigger bottom, better borrow. So I solved this with a mistake in it, and I see that it's 279. But when I estimated around 410 to 400, 289 to 300, I see that my answer should be around 100. Is 279 around 100? No. So that's where I can see, my real answer is not close to the estimate. I better look back at my real answer and see what mistake I made.